Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nurzaifah binti Abdul Zahar. I present you about the final project, which made the title is about the intricacy of Iznik ceramic composition with the Islamic aesthetic. So we get to know what is the Iznik ceramic. So what is Iznik? Iznik was produced form of pottery or ceramic that was from the last quarter in 50th century ever the high-quality ceramic ware. However, the Iznik ceramic were made in Turkey. The Iznik ceramic they also looked like in jars, handle cup bowl and dish. More than that, you can identify the Iznik ceramic by looking the pattern, which were Arabic pattern that designed by Ottoman and they has a floral style that looked like in garden of flowers. Also, this ceramic was world famous in Thai and ceramic in their country, and they were famously used the Ottoman style flower. Initially, Iznik ceramic was influenced by Chinese Ming Dynasty porcelain, but it was immediately represent the history in Islamic art, also in Turkey ceramic art. So let's get to know about the Iznik ceramic image poster. Okay, so let's move on the poster that I made for this final project. And because here the term is about the ethnic color and for the ethnic ceramic, as you can see here, this is the symmetrical composition that the design was on one side of a vertical line dividing the pattern in the exact middle. They have a pattern that reflects some motif of plane at the middle of bottom part of the plane. For the example, the figure 1 and the figure 2, they have a symmetrical composition. The design for like such like the tulip or the flower design. So for the Eastern ceramic, we can get by the type, vessel, decorative object, geometric pattern, distinctive, floral, and use the underglaze colors and then got the cobalt blues, turquoise green and red. Okay, for the technique in ceramic, the technique at Iznik was paint and glaze decoration. The painter artist used sponge to trace the motif with carbon powder, then paint the basic metallic oxide color with brush. The palette was not rich, and the color comprising it were only 7 blue, and then got the blue, turquoise, green, black, violet, red, and grey. The blue was derived from copper oxide from calcium. Copper oxide produced turquoise or green. Next is for the example of figure 3. They use the pattern of plane is linked to another in orientation to center S in order to form a whole. Somehow, for the motif in Islamic, you can identify that often found in ceramic of Ottoman such that they have a tulip, daisy, jasmine, and other spring flower arranged in a vase. They also have the feeder of the ceramic. There was a blue and turquoise that is what interpreted in polychrome. They also have three principal styles of decoration setting in through the century. The first happened they will use cobalt blue and a few patches of turquoise. Okay, so the figure 4 that I got for the book, the title is about the painting of porcelain. In the Iznik, they have a four flower style that was introduced by Nakashin. The four flower style like tulip, rose, the jasmine, and the pink was perfect, recognizable, and grew naturally in garden. More than that, the tulip, according to a contemporary interpretation, occupied pride of place because its name. Lel was the anagram of our Uh, they also the style that were originate of an epic Sassanid verse, one of the Sassanid which resemble a curved feather with tooth margin. The other element sound aesthetic is the flower. For example, in the figure 7, the flower and the blooming rosette are filled by its pink, long curving side leaf. Okay, so next is we continue about the conclusion that we got from the Iznik ceramic. They also have the composition of Iznik ceramic that was look like a harmony and balance to Islamic art. They have used a geometric symmetrical motif and a color like cobalt blue, turquoise, color red and white, such like the poster that I will mention. They also have element such like repetition and principles that give a unity also ring. In addition, for the study of aesthetic ceramic, they give us a beauty of ceramic also in Islamic art that manifesting between tradition and expression toward us. However, the legacy is of ethnic ceramic and expression toward us. However, the legacy of ethnic ceramic continue to inspire and influence contemporary ceramic artists and researchers. More than that, ethnic ceramic continue to be valued for their artistic and historical significance, demonstrating the rich cultural exchange between the East and West during the Ottoman era. To conclude the conclusion that I got from the poster, and that all from me. Thank you.